Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to the Fighter Fati. So today we are continuing our second feature of Bitaqwa app. Let's call it a prayer feature. Okay, so in this specific last video we are talking about the Islamic dashboard feature. Okay, so inside the Islamic dashboard feature we have the prayer icon here where I can interact to click the prayer button on the emulator. Okay, then we have all kinds of prayer stuff from like prayer morning and night, prayer at home, prayer when you eating or drinking, prayer when you go for traveling, prayer when you go for prayer or salat, and then a prayer for doing good attitude. Okay, so before I showcase all of this, let's just jump into the code here quick. Okay, so inside the com.example Bitaqwa package, we're gonna make a new package, call it menu. Okay, on menu here we're gonna make a new package again, call it doa or prayer. And then inside of the doa package we're gonna making three package that's called adapter, pardon me, sorry, two package adapter, three package adapter, data, also model package. Okay, so let's jump into the inside of adapter package. Okay, inside of our adapter package, first you may make a new Kotlin class file by pressing right click, new, select Kotlin class file, and I want you to choose class and then name it prayer list adapter or doa list adapter, up to you. Okay, so now let's jump inside the code. Okay, so like I mentioned, this is still pre-release app, so I'm not gonna spoiler anything like the APK file or the code. Just gonna showcase real quick. Okay, and then let's move on to the package that we already make, that is data package. We have 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we have 6 Kotlin class, that is object. Okay, so like I said, right click on the data package, select new, select Kotlin class file, scroll down, and we have object and rename it one by one like the name. Okay, let's first jump to the good attitude package, the prayer good attitude. Because it's the code, we have the main Kotlin code, also we're adding Arabics, and then we have all some sorts of code and also hadith or prayer and others. Okay, this is the code. Okay, so let's jump into the showcase of the good attitude. Okay, so this is the logo, this is the text. Let's click out. Okay, sorry, like I mentioned, Mac things that doesn't come too well. Okay, so we have 4 things here. First, the prayer when you sneezing, prayer when you're angry, prayer at learning places, and then prayer for doing good deeds or good things to the other. Okay, so first let's see what inside of the sneezing prayer. Okay, so first we have the prayer layout. We have the text, Latin, Arabic, also normal text. So in here I'm using a bahasa language, so maybe some of you can read, some of you don't, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. The rest is just the same here. Okay, so I'm not gonna make this demo too long, just gonna showcase a bit. Okay, so let's move on to the next Kotlin class file, that is the solid schedule thing, the prayer thing. Yeah. Okay, so this is the code. You can view here. Okay, so basically it's the same as the preview from the sneezing prayer. Just gonna change the text inside it, the logo, and also the text for the title. The rest it's the same. Okay. So let's move on to the next Kotlin class file. Is drinking and eating prayer. Is the source code. Move on to the next Kotlin class file. We have the entering and out from home. Okay, so this is the code. This is the fallen from day to night code for prayer, and this is the traveling prayer code. Okay, so let's have a bit of preview of this feature. Okay, let's open the night and days. This is the option you can choose before and after sleeping, and then prayer when you got nightmare. Okay, that's like this. So like I mentioned, it's the same preview, just different inside of it. Let's see quick the next, yeah, monitor stocks. Yeah. Okay, so just gonna leave it like this. I don't wanna make my laptop suffering really bad because of long recording distance. Okay, so let's see here the major differences. So from the raw app, I changed up the color for the primary color. The text also I changed the background here. Okay. I think that's all for the showcase of the prayer feature from Bitaqwa app. If you like this video, please give it a like, also subscribe. Okay, last I say, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.